Guys, what's up? So today we're gonna make this cool animation in Figma with the help of auto layout, and I'll let you know how simple it is to make it from the auto layout. So yes, so let's start with it. I'll take one frame, let's take a bigger frame, and I'll start with placing those elements. Let's size it accordingly, maybe 3:2 ratio, and I'll size it as 170 and maybe 30, yeah. And this third face as this, like this. So I'm gonna place them in the middle. Let's place this fourth element also, but it will be hidden. Okay, now I'm gonna make these as an auto layout. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this as an element, as a component, sorry, and make different variants out of it. So I'll create this as a component and adding a variant over here. Now let's make one more variant for it, and now I'm gonna place this on the top. Okay. Okay, so I have to name these elements first. Okay, so let's delete this, sorry. So let's keep happy face 4 at the end, like this, and let's add one more variant. Now I will hide this one, so this will be at first, and I'm gonna resize it accordingly, and this is gonna be 300 and 200. And now I'm gonna enable the fourth happy face. Now I'm gonna add one more variant to it, and this time, okay, so let's delete this because it's adding the above one variant. I want this one because it will rearrange it. I will take happy face 1 at the end now, happy face 2 hidden, and happy face 3 according to the styling. This is 200 and 300. So now there is one last variant that we have to design, is that this first face has to be up front, right? So same process. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Our variants are ready. Now it's time to animate. Go to the prototype section, and I'm gonna change it to smart animate, and it's gonna be after delay. 800 seconds is good enough. After delay, smart animate. Okay, ease in and out. I'll do that, ease in and out. Yeah, now I'm gonna place that element over here. Let's see how it works. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, I can play around making any images, and you can use it at any website, any mobile content that you want the images to be shown, and you can like you can make the time slower as well. So yeah, you can experiment with it and make cool animation around the carousels and slideshows. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. Let's meet another time. Thank you.